Hello, my beautiful people, my one family, my wonderful people. You're welcome to our channel today. Yes, and if you're seeing me for the first time, this is the first time of seeing this face. My name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm saying a big welcome to you if this is your first time of seeing my video, and if you have been watching my video all this while and you don't subscribe yet, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel also. And I want to say a big thank you for those that are coming back to watch my video all the time. Guys, I want to show you guys something today. I want to share a secret with you, something that works for me. Yes, I told us last time that the things that we come here to explain, there are things that works, there are things that we have tried, tested and trusted, and that is why we come here to explain them to you. If you can use it, it's a suggestion, you understand? If you can use it, it will work for you also. I want to show you something. Yes, guys, I want to talk about perfume today, the spiritual implication of perfume. You know, these are some of my perfume, because I said it before that I'm a perfume freak, and I like to smell differently. You can't catch me smelling the same, except if I find myself loving a particular perfume, or maybe it's close to where I can just use, you know. I like strong perfume, and I also like fresh and light perfumes. Yes. So you are a woman, you are a lady, and you are having issues in your marriage. I want to show you a secret. You're having issues in your relationship. I want to show you this secret today. If you apply it, it will work for you. Okay? And even if you are a man, you're watching this video, apply this. It will work for you, not just in your relationship, but in every other aspect of your life. Okay? See, there is a video I uploaded last time, you know, how to create your own attraction using perfume. Yes, as ugly as I'm looking, you're seeing me like this. Yes, even when I'm driving, when somebody just look at me, yes, I'm driving an SUV. You know, SUVs, the half mirror, you know, to the back is tinted, factory tinted, but at least the driver's seat at the front, from the front down to the driver's seat, you can see who is driving that car. You understand? Yes. People, when they look at me again. If that is not so with you, then let's use this. Okay, let's try this. It works. All right, I have different variants of perfumes, and I came here with the cheap ones and relatively expensive one. This one, I've shown this one here before. This is just a body splash. As a lady, you must have a body splash. How can you go to bed at night, even if you are sleeping alone? After taking your bath, apply something on your skin. Let your skin be grateful to you. I have another one here. Yeah, you know, anytime I look at this perfume, I get emotional, because when my mom died, this type of body splash was emptied on her body. You understand? You know, in my place, they use perfume on corpse before they bury them. Yes. And apart from this was a body splash, because she is a lady, you understand? And then normal, ordinary perfume also was used. You understand? Something, you know, like this. So now, I'm not talking about dead body. I'm talking about you and I. I'm talking about how you can change your relationship, how you can attract and keep your man, you know, or keep your woman. Me, I like a man that smells nice. Yes, I like a man that cares about how he smells. Yes, you're a man, you can just walk up to a lady, you know, forget all this online something nowadays. But in the olden days, you know, physical contact. Even when you come, you understand, the way you smell also speaks language. You understand? So I am a spiritualist, and anything, whatever it is that I want to use, I look at the spiritual efficacy, spiritual implication of it. How does it profit me? How does it benefit me spiritually? Yes. So you can use, especially for anything spirituality, body oils. This one is this is Gucci. Yeah, this is a Gucci. I think the peel went off. This one is Good Girl. Okay, this is an oil of it. A girlfriend of mine from Abuja sent 6 of this to me, different smell from Gucci. It's a designer perfume, and a friend of mine also sent me this one. This one has my name on it, Medilock, engraved on it from the company. This is Good Girl, all right? And this is also Good Girl. You understand? This is the spray of it. This is an oil of it. They smell nice. And I have this crazy perfume here. This one is mad. See, when you spray, in fact, holding it in my hand like this, the scent is killing me. This is an Arabian and a French perfume joined together. English, or let me say French, yes. An Arabian join power, they join forces together to produce this. You know, you see, this is Jean Atoni or something like that. You know, and they call it White Heart. It was pricey, you understand? It was a little bit expensive when I bought it, and when I spray it, even when they wash the cloth, it is still scenting like that. But don't ask me to send it to you because it's too heavy. It's too heavy, except if you are living in Nigeria here and you can afford it, then you can send it to you. But this one, if you are living abroad, except you want to pay shipping fee, this is too heavy. But this one, we have them different colors. This one is traditional one here. This is a spiritual perfume. Yes. See, this one, you just rub it on your body. It's like milk, you know, it's creamy. You just bring it out and rub it on your body, and everything about you. See, what this one does is to command respect. Yes, to command respect. This one, that is what it does. Okay, and then I have other ones. Like this one is from Oriflame. You know, this is I think this is Possession, Possess, the Secret. This one, I don't use it like that, but I like the scent. It smells crazy. Yes, for those who, I know a lot of us are into Oriflame. You know what it is, you know, and smells nice also. And this one also is from Oriflame. I think is it Allure or Gador? I don't know the name again. You know, this one smells mad. You understand? This is crazy. And you just wear this and you go, you sit in your office from afar. Somebody will say, I know you are around. I know you are in the building. Yes. I'm not selling them. I'm just telling you all these things before I tell us the spiritual implication of it. Okay? I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Hey God, Medilock song, I forgot to put it. Can you imagine? Medilock video is incomplete without that song. Medilock, simple solution. This one is just a simple perfume that I picked up from a supermarket. Very wonderful. Why am I showing us all these things? Because you don't need anybody to send you anything. You don't need to collect it from anywhere. You can infuse your own perfume, okay, with your spirituality. And it begins to behave and work in the way that you want. Let me keep quiet so that it can sink in. I know some people must have left watching this video till this before this moment, and some are still watching it. See, guys, all you need is just get your middle. This one is my Burberry pink. This one is a spiritual perfume. You can see it. You know, I shot a video. I uploaded a video last time. I was telling us about this crab ice and oil. So this one I'm having is crab ice and the oil inside. Okay, so if you have crab ice, you can, this one is something that you can open and then you can put something inside. If you have this, you don't allow the perfume inside to finish. Always add another perfume oil inside, and that is all. All you need to do is just like this, and that is all. This one, okay? Just pray your prayer. Crab ice are they are seeds from a tree, from a flower. Yes, you just collect them. They are natural thing. You understand? So, and this one is Gucci Guilty. This one smells crazy also. It's very nice. And this one is is it Advent? What do they call it? It's an oil. They just bought it here for me. They told me it's a raining perfume. This and that, very, very costly as you've seen it like this. But I bought it because my friend said it's one of the happening perfumes. You know, it's the best seller, whatever. I should just try it. I like it, you know. And this one is a traditional perfume. You can see it has herbs inside also. This one you can rub it on your skin. So I'm showing you all these things so that wherever you are, you can have your own. This is a body splash, just like the way you have this and you have this. Okay, so if you cannot afford this, you can afford this one. This one is very common, and even this one too is very, very common in the market. This one I've shown us before. This is Color Me Purple. Yes, Color Me Blue. Abi, this is Sky Blue. Sky Blue. This perfume, I sprayed it on my t-shirt. I shot video with it. I removed the t-shirt I kept in my wardrobe. I traveled for 1 month. I came back. I traveled for 3 months during lockdown. I removed the perfume, the t-shirt. I wore it. It was scenting very wonderfully. I was saying, which perfume did I use on this? And I remembered it was this. It was this. You know, I was like, this perfume goes for just 2,500 naira. Very cheap, but very, very effective. It has a pink color. It has a dark purple. A purple color. It has different colors of it. You will love it. If you can get it, you will love it. Okay? Why do you need to smell nice in spirituality? It's because your smell attract favor to you. Your smell command favor to you. There is nothing you seek that you will not get from men and even from spirits. This is the spiritual truth. So, guys, you can use your middle finger to consecrate one of your perfume. Any day you are going to anywhere important, that is the perfume that you will spray. And if you are the kind of person that is so faithful to smell to perfume, you are using only one perfume, then you can just buy your perfume and then do it. Somebody was asking me last time, can another person use it? Can somebody use it? See, somebody can use it, but for this efficacy to be very strong, you have to keep it personal. Okay? But if somebody use it without your knowledge, it is okay. But it's not something that you will just consecrate it for yourself, pray over it and keep it for yourself, and then somebody else is using it. Speak your intention into it, into your perfume, and then keep it. Anyone, price doesn't matter. How much did I even buy this one? Was it 2.5 or something like that? It's a body splash, scent like flower, very nice. So anyone that you want, you understand? So any day you are going for that job interview, or you are going to that your man's place, use it. And if you are a woman, you're a married woman, and you're having issues in your marriage, change your perfume and you will see things will turn around. Till I come your way again in another video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm your sister. Yes, now. Don't I look like Yoruba? Eh? I look like Yoruba. Yes. Ekbele. Yes. Ẹ má bínú sí mi. Just stay with me, okay? Bá mi jókòó. Yes. Thank you, Olufemi. Bye.